Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The GLNs Logistics is now live. The wait is over. So in this video, I'm going to explain it in a simple term so that you can clearly understand how you can benefit as a GLNs Logistics in Sidra ecosystem. First of all, we'll first describe what GLNs Logistics is all about. GLNs Logistics is a blockchain power logistic platform that help people and businesses send goods, track shipment, connect with transport companies, trade internationally, and of all this run on a blockchain technology inside the Sidra app. So instead of the traditional logistics system, it uses Web3 technology to make things more transparent and efficient. So this is how you benefit as a Sidra mining. So if this video interests you, do well to stay to the end so that you understand how you benefit as a Sidra miner. 22 hours ago, you all know that I've made a video on this, that the GLNs Logistics will launch their app on 14th, and finally they launched the app, and they congratulate Sidra family for being part of their journey, and they gave the APK file. You can see it here. So they gave the APK file where you can download it here. Sorry, my baby is awake. You can download it here. But later on, they updated the app. Here, they updated the app where they gave the new APK app, which is this one. So go to the GLNs Global S accounts and click on the link to get the APK file. 15 hours ago, they made this update. How you are going to benefit from this GLNs Logistics. And the first one, like I just said here, they said the GLNs Logistics is a global digital platform that connects logistic companies, shippers, warehouses, and businesses in one place. Now, companies register and complete KYB verification. The second thing you need to do is that the logistic provider lists their services: airline, sea, transport, and warehousing. Then businesses and shippers find partners, book shipment, and manage supply chains through the platform. Transaction operations are supported by blockchain technology, making them secure, transparent, and efficient. Now, let me break it down to you. And they say the global business potential. The global logistic industry is worth over $10 trillion. If GLNs Logistics connect even a small portion of logistic company, warehouse, and trader worldwide, it can become a major global logistic network. Now, let me break it down for us. As a Sidra miner, and how to benefit from this GLNs Logistics. One, it gives a new job opportunity. You as a person can register on GLNs Logistics. You have as a logistic agent, or a delivery partner, or a warehouse partner, or a regional coordinator. This is how you benefit. It gives new job opportunity. Now, take for example, someone in Nigeria can register as a logistic partner and earn from handling shipments. This is shipment, drop shipping, whereby the Sidra team will be also in charge of this. This is just an example. Now, another thing you benefit from as a Sidra miner who has GLNs Logistics, it also gives business opportunity. Business opportunity in the sense that small business can use GLNs Logistics to ship products internationally. For those that this is just like drop shipping. You are in Nigeria and you register as a business partner, you are going to get the license for you to ship your product internationally, not only in Nigeria. You can ship internationally, sell your goods globally, and track deliveries on blockchain. All these things are being tracked on Web3 under Sidra blockchain. So this is massive. This is massive. Now, example, a Nigeria seller can send goods to a buyer in Dubai using the GLNs network. Benefit, maybe you may have, the benefit here is that you may have a cheaper logistic, a faster verification, a transparent delivery tracking. Another way as a Sidra miner, how you can benefit from this GLNs Logistics is that blockchain transparency. Because it runs on SidraChain, every shipment is recorded on blockchain. Every shipment you do on this is recorded on blockchain, and it is transparent. It reduces fraud, lost shipment or fake logistic record. This is massive. There are a lot of benefits that you can get once you register as a GLNs Global Logistic. Now, income for community member. The ecosystem may reward community member through transaction fee. Yes, as a Sidra miner and you also a GLNs Logistic partner, you will have a reward benefit. There will be a reward for every transaction done through the Sidra ecosystem, and this is massive. So what do you think? Go and download the app. The app is working perfectly now, and if you look at down here what they wrote here, they say value of GLN tokens. The GLN token is designed to power the ecosystem. It can be used for paying logistics service, platform transaction, business partnership, and ecosystem utility. I took my time to break it down in a layman's understanding because I went to the comment section. Many people are asking, how do they benefit from this GLNs Logistics, that they are confused. Some are even saying that they regretted swapping their Sidra to this. And one person reached out to me early enough. I told him to make sure that he said, because this GLNs tokens was very high on 13th. It was around 4.4%. I told the person, since you bought earlier, it's better for you to sell early so that we will have profits. But if you decide to wait, once the token is launched, you might, the coin or the stuff might reduce, and eventually it has reduced. Let's quickly go to Sidra app and check on the GLNs. So currently the price of this GLNs Logistic is at the rate of 3.0611 per Sidra. So it has reduced, and it was 4.4%, 4.4 Sidra before. It has actually reduced, but it's still not bad. So this is how you benefit from this. So what do you think? Do you think this is going to benefit Sidra more since Sidra token is not yet launched? Just give me your thoughts. Or secondly, do you wish to partner with GLNs Logistics? Tell me in the comment section. So that is it for this video. See you guys in my next video.